Hey guys, this is Jess aka Tomiko and welcome back to The Wolf Among Us. We are about to do part 3, just continuing from episode 1 I believe. So we had a bit of a surprise in the last video. Poor Faith ended up a little bit, well, dead. So we're just going to see what's going to happen from there. I believe where we're about to pick up from, we've investigated the area, so we're about to go and see Crane and meet Crane. Oh, a little bit of lag. A lot of lag. Hopefully it'll sort itself out.
What are you, blind?
Yep.
What, you don't see there's a line? I've been standing here a half hour already.
No, it doesn't really apply to me.
Just walk in? Must be nice being the sheriff. Do whatever the fuck
I
you
work
like.
here, exactly.
I work here. And what great work you do, sheriff.
Thank you.
That didn't feel very genuine.
Fucker.
Because you are the one bringing this to me, Miss Snow. The one who so simply stumbled upon this catastrophe on our very doorstep. The last thing I need with Mayor Cole away is a hysteria. Do you understand me?
Yes, of course I
Don't
do.
interrupt me, Miss Snow.
You asked me a question.
Don't
Exactly.
change the subject. You are to blame for this unpleasantness, Miss Snow.
I brought you this news as soon as I could.
You are trusted to keep things running smoothly around here. This is a
No one's to
disaster.
blame.
It isn't anyone's fault. Instead of trying to assign blame, maybe we should figure out how to catch the fucker who did this.
Exactly.
Oh, is that how you see things?
No, I don't care. He didn't
Sheriff,
appreciate
you
that.
are the one charged with protecting the citizens of Fabletown. Your failure to do so cost someone their life and the safety of the
It
entire
literally
community.
happened when he was sleeping. Come on.
Tell me you've been doing something. Are there any leads? Suspects? Anything. Anything at all. Any shred of evidence you two know what the hell you're doing. Because right now, I have half a mind to fire the both of
I'm
you.
just gonna stay quiet.
Bluebeard came to mind. It's his MO. It's shaky, but
Don't be absurd. Bluebeard is out of the country as we speak. So don't even think about accusing him of such a treacherous affair. If all you're
Problem is I
operating
know
off
who
of
it
is
was,
ancient history, we're all in much more trouble than I imagined. You two need to get a handle on this situation quickly and quietly. The last thing we need is all of Fabletown knowing there's a killer amongst us. Snow,
yes, sir,
call Vivian right this minute and let her know I'm coming in early for my massage.
I will.
So murder
Where
happens
is
if
the
he goes
bottle of
and gets a
wine you were to
massage, okay.
purchase? Oh, bother. Forget it. Can't do anything right. Do your job, Sheriff. Or we'll find someone who can.
You know what?
Stop. We'll get on it right away, sir.
I knew he was gonna say it. I knew that was gonna happen. That's why I just chose that.
You would have just pissed him off more.
All right.
Well, that could have gone better. Well, maybe we should have dragged it out.
For what it's worth, I still think it was better to tell him.
Yeah, maybe. Oh, Crane doesn't like people smoking and... Never mind. Smoke away.
Wine to a massage?
Probably a gift. The weird part of that is that he's actually being nice to someone. I know I bought that damn bottle.
Is he gone?
Yes, thankfully.
Oh look, a wine bottle. Imagine that.
Buffkin!
Hello, Miss Snow.
Drinking? This early? Where did you get that?
It was by Mr. Ichabod's desk.
Then don't you think it probably belongs to him?
Maybe.
Maybe.
How are you today, Mr. Bigby?
I'm fine.
Fine, Buffkin. Thanks for asking.
Aww.
Get the books.
Which books?
The ones with all the fables in it.
I'm not sure that was any more specific.
Bring the first 3.
Be back in a few minutes.
He knows the ones I'm talking about. There's bound to be information on her here. Somewhere. We'll at least be able to get her real name from the books whenever Buffkin finds them. In the meantime, poke around. Maybe the mirror can help. I really have to get this appointment squared away, but let me know if you need anything.
Cool. And now we've got control. I reckon the mirror probably progresses the story, so I'm gonna look around first.
Magic lamps are pretty much just lamps. After the genie's been freed.
Yeah, so this is Aladdin's. This is the lamp from Aladdin, I should say, which is pretty cool.
Worth a try.
Yes, I mean, I question it only due to the amount. It seemed a bit excessive.
Oh, I don't think that. Oh, is there actually nothing
I
else?
have the record right here. Give me 1 moment.
That's a bit rubbish. Okay, let's check the mirror. Nice. Do it again. Oh, he does something different. That's cool. Oh, you see that smile? You see that smile? Checking the tie, of course. Still smiling. What else does he do? I want to see if he does anything else. Oh, and we're back. Okay, alright, I'll stop messing around.
Hey, magic mirror. I got a question.
You know the rule.
I don't have time for this shit.
Your impatience is callow. You're needlessly cruel, but have some respect for our history rules.
Exactly.
Mirror, mirror. If you're able, tell me all about this fable.
Got a rhyme.
See? Was that so hard?
Yeah, I'm about 2 seconds away from kicking a hole in you.
Nice.
There's no need for that. Fine. Of which fable do you wish to know?
The woodsman.
Show me the woodsman. Where is he?
What you see is complete. The woodsman stumbles down a street.
So helpful.
Oh shit. Which street?
I'm sorry, Bigby. I can only show you what can be seen.
Snow.
Show me Snow White.
Oh, you see that little smile on his face.
Not much of a request. She's in this very room.
I don't know her name.
I don't know her name. Not yet, anyway.
Well, until you do, I can't help you.
And Buffkin's
Show
lost.
me Buffkin. Hey, put down the bottle and get to work.
Still looking.
Okay. And we're done.
Nobody right now.
Very well. Please return should you wish to ask about someone else. Or someone new.
Will do. Yeah, I thought so. See, now the story's progressing.
Well, I'm sure
Gosh,
we'll
that's
get
so
it all
my
cleared
humour.
up. Okay. Thank you.
Wait, just check myself out one more time. Nice. Wait, can you do anything else? Surely you can't ask
Mirror,
any more.
mirror, blah, blah, able, blah, blah, blah about this fable.
Blah blah blah.
Of which fable do you wish to know?
Yeah, you
Show
can.
me Snow White.
You can see them again. What's the point?
Show me Buffkin. Nobody right now.
Very well. Please return should you wish to ask about someone else. Or someone new.
I was just curious to what if you could do it. That's interesting. It's really kind of cool that they actually added that. Right, where's the desk? Oh my gosh, I got stuck. I am so. Oh my gosh, where am I even going? Wow, that was just awful. Let's have a look. Let's back out. Can we talk to Buff again? Can't talk to Snow. So let's have a look at this.
These. Any information on Fables in our community will be somewhere in these books.
Right, so we have... Oh, look who it is. Right here.
Me.
And of course...
I'm pretty sure that's supposed to be me.
Yeah, dwarves. Less said about that, the better.
Charming.
Right, buddy.
The woodsman?
Yep. And his axe. Yeah, the two of them. I wonder what the story was.
And this is... Beauty?
Happier days.
Aww. This is very zoomed in.
And her man. Beast.
The Beast.
Funny.
Colin and his brothers.
Over here is...
Ichabod Crane. Scared shitless.
What's that?
Your boss. His finest moment. Hard
Yeah,
to
I'm pretty
understand
sure.
how he ended up running this place.
I did look into it,
Well,
I remember, because I wasn't
maybe
sure who
it's time
Crane
that
was.
changed.
And I'm pretty sure it's the headless... Yeah, the headless huntsman.
Nice hat.
That's Toad.
I haven't seen Badger around for a
I
while.
was going to say,
He likes his privacy, I think.
I wish Toad would like his a bit more.
and here we go.
I've seen this
That was on
before.
my ring.
This symbol on the man's clothes. It's the same as the rings.
Could be her father or husband. This has most of the emblems of the old days, and usually what family they come from. If it's in here, we'll have her name.
Let's have a look at the symbol again. So it's got like a crescent moon and a fleur de lis. Awesome. Back. There we go. Awesome. Nope. Here it is. I want to see if there's anything else. Oh, look.
Great.
What?
I can't read any of this shit.
I can help.
Thank you, Buffkin.
Yeah, thanks.
We look out for each other.
Don't overdo it. This looks familiar.
Yes, from the Axe of the Woodsman, a druid blessing, actually.
Someone bless that thing.
I only translate.
This looks familiar.
Yes, from
Oh.
the Axe of the Woodsman, a druid blessing,
Sorry?
actually.
Someone bless that thing.
I only translate.
Didn't know it was gonna repeat. I thought the symbol would disappear if they were done. Cool. Let's. Oh no! I want to see what the previous one was. Oh my gosh, I'm playing terribly today. I'm sorry, guys.
Buffkin, translate.
An exquisite design from the good china of Toad Hall.
Mr. Toad?
He probably wrote this in himself.
And finally, the actual. Oh my! I didn't do that, guys. I swear. Oh my gosh. Okay, no, fixed it.
This
Never mind.
is the one. Where's this symbol from? Which family or story?
That's an odd one. Family name? Allerleirauh? I'll go look it up.
Alelaira. That means every kind of fur in German.
Donkey
Of course, you
skin.
know that.
Yes. What does it say?
Donkey skin girl, also known as donkey skin, also known as ass skin, prefers to go by the name Faith. Poetic?
Buffkin, we don't need the commentary.
Yeah, thank you, Buffkin.
The story of donkey skin. There was once a great king with a beautiful queen. The queen grew ill and had her husband promise to only marry the most beautiful girl in the kingdom. After a long search, it became clear that the only woman in the land that could match her beauty was... his daughter, Faith.
Ew.
She had a magic cloak made from the skin of her father's prized donkey that would hide her beauty so she could escape his kingdom. Eventually, she married a prince who could see past the magic cloak and knew her true beauty. And they lived happily ever after. Should I mark it, Miss Snow?
Yes. Please.
Poor Faith.
And what's her husband's name?
Lawrence. Prince Lawrence.
We got what we came for.
Yeah.
Her name's Faith. She was married to Prince Lawrence. I mean, that's more than we...
Name was Faith.
Yeah.
We should talk to the husband.
You think he did it?
That's
No,
fine.
I don't. But we need to let him know about his wife.
That was a weird expression. If we go back to this, I'm pretty sure. Ooh, that was quick. Yeah, there she is, but it's not coming up with anything. Huh, thought it might. Cool. Let's go back. Make our way back very slowly to the mirror with my awful controller.
Mirror, mirror, blah, blah, able, blah, blah, blah about this fable.
Of which fable do you wish to know?
Faith.
Show me Faith.
Through powerful magic, her whereabouts concealed. Unfortunately for you, these lips are sealed.
That's what she kept saying.
These
lips are sealed.
sealed. It's not my choice of phrasing, Bigby. It's simply the way this has to be.
That must be so annoying. Right. Faith's father?
Show me Faith's father, the old king.
Huh.
Guess that
Didn't think he
crosses
did it.
him off the suspect list.
And finally,
He's a prince, I think. Show me Prince Lawrence.
oh,
What's he been doing? Where is this?
Where's what?
Do you know where Prince Lawrence lives?
If he's a prince, probably relocated in the South Bronx. Yellow building, red window shutters.
Red frames.
Yep, that's the one. I can take us there.
thank you.
Nobody right now.
Anything we can use?
Yeah, that'll have to do for now.
Come on, we're going over there.
No, thank you.
Sorry, I have to get that. Hello, Woodland's business office. Yes, He is. Hold on. Bigby, it's for you.
Bigby, it's me, Toad. You there?
What do you want?
Bigby, shit. Listen, right, there's a bloke upstairs going through all the woodsman's things. Get over here, Bigby, before he... Oh, wait, hang on.
Oh,
Oi, shit. Hey!
What was that about?
Hard to say. Something going on over at Toad's place.
What about Faith's husband?
I don't know, I couldn't really tell. But he could be in trouble. And we should go there anyway to search her apartment. Toad might have to wait.
Whenever you're ready.
Sorry guys, I've been quiet for a while. I'm just taking in the game. Just so immersed in it.
Did Toad say who was there? Was it the woodsman?
Oh, lag. There we go.
I don't know, it's possible. Whoever it was, it didn't seem like Toad was happy to see him.
Well, maybe Prince Lawrence can wait.
Yeah, he didn't see him. He could use some help, too.
Well, where to first?
Bigby, shit. Listen, right? There's a bloke upstairs going through all the woodsman's things.
You think he did it? What's her husband's name?
Lawrence. Prince Lawrence.
Right guys, so this is an awesome mechanic of the game. You get to choose where to go. They do this quite a few times in the game. I'm actually gonna leave it here. I'm gonna leave this episode for now. Hopefully you're not too mad at me. But yeah, thanks for watching. Get the next part out as soon as possible. This is really fun to play. Although this episode was a little bit slow, I know it starts really picking up. Please like, comment and subscribe. And yeah, I'll continue to play this. I'm really enjoying this. I hope you guys are enjoying this too.